This is going to be a really interesting classic vintage clip, so let's get right into it. Greetings and salutations, welcome to Street Smart Swing. My name is Jamin Jackson, also known as the Galactic Swing Dance Umpire, and I am super excited to be looking at this dance clip from Dance Americana in 1956. But first, make sure you subscribe and headbutt that notification button so you never miss a video from me ever again. I'm going to go ahead and start the clip and give you my thoughts right after.
Sociologically and economically, prosperity was the keynote. The young country, like youth in all forms, was exuberant, lighthearted, energetic. The spirit of the times, the 1920s, was clear in a popular dance of the day called the Charleston. It was danced with zest, and today is a favorite in any repertoire of folk dances in the United States.
This was a really interesting clip. I've got to give a big shout out to Rob Alexander and his Dance Jubilee troupe because they were able to do some of those vintage dance moves that really look like the time period. I'd have to say my favorite part of this video is this portion right here. I really love how she's looking at the camera. I feel like she's a real person and not just some clip that's dated. I also really liked the couple who are doing solo jazz next to each other and then they kind of partner together and do some Charleston. It's really cool to see how much freedom they are exhibiting. I know for me, when I'm doing solo Charleston or dancing Charleston with a partner, I know how to make it look exciting, like I'm out of control and wild. But in a way, it kind of still feels formulaic when I do it. But watching the joy that they emit is just so authentic and just different. So, what did you think about this clip? Did you like it? Was it boring? Does black and white kind of take you out of it? I love vintage clips, so hopefully you liked it too. If you want to start Charleston dancing, I encourage you to check out some of my free courses below. I've got over 20 courses there. You can learn how to swing dance at home, in private, and carry on that same joy that you see in this clip. With that being said, let me know what you guys thought of this clip in the comment section, and hopefully I get a chance to see you in my class online. Take care.